At Labwear Studios, we are redesigning fashion manufacturing.
Initially, we wanted to provide emerging brands an entry door into fashion by offering wholesale blanks with a modern cut. To realize this, 3 years ago, we went down to Portugal with the goal of finding a manufacturer to create unique, high-quality blanks with us.
It was a struggle to get anyone to listen, and even if they did, we had to deal with high minimum order quantities of 500 pieces, lead times of multiple months, and a huge communication issue.
Our struggles revealed the roadblocks in the industry, not just for us, but for countless other aspiring and established fashion brands. Consider this. Just to make a simple shirt, the garment has to go through at least 5 different factories.
The communication and coordination between those factories is little to non-existent. The fashion manufacturing landscape is stuck in the past.
These factories still work with paper and no prior announcement when passing through a product to the next factory.
This leads to unnecessary waiting times between the production steps and makes the small-scale production of complex pieces financially impossible.
From a brand's perspective, this outdated system leads to gatekeeping, endless waiting times, and the need to produce more pieces than you plan on selling.
Our experiences, combined with our growing network of partners, helped us come up with the solution people needed.
That's when we started doing what we do now.
We've created a software tool called Labwear OS that we use to connect all the factories involved in the supply chain.
From there, they receive all the information they need for production and their production schedules. Like this, we are able to cut out all of the unnecessary waiting times.
This transformation increases efficiency and coordination to a level where smaller orders are not just financially possible, but smart.
That's why we can now offer manufacturing solutions with minimal order quantities of just 50 pieces and the lead times of only 4 to 6 weeks.
Just send us your design and we'll bring your vision to life in the same factories that Balenciaga, Acne Studios and Off-White produce their pieces in.
While factories focus on their craft, we focus on streamlining the process and you get to focus on design and brand building. Like that, everyone does what they're best at.
We combine the power of over 200 brands, securing our place at the same table as the big luxury brands.
But please, don't mistake us for an agency. We are a movement, driven by our love for fashion and innovation.
In a world where the fashion industry is dominated by few large names, we are committed to ensuring that emerging brands have a place in the fashion world, so they can continue to bring the much-needed change that the industry deserves.
No, we can basically produce anything made from jersey, fleece, cotton twill and knitwear. We can also do hats and socks. To make the production process easier, we have pre-engineered tech packs. They contain a framework for you to fill in all the information about your piece in a way that it's comprehensible for us. In there, you can go crazy with all our customization options, including custom fabric. Long story short, you can do anything.
You download a tech pack, you fill it out and send it over. We'll send you a quote. Then your piece goes into sampling and we'll send you the first version of it. After approval of the sample, we can start bulk production. Once they pass the quality check, we'll ship them out to you, and lead times for the production are about 4 to 6 weeks.
When looking for a place to produce, we oriented ourselves after major luxury brands because we wanted to make the same quality accessible to you guys. And on top of that, Portugal has fair working conditions compared to other manufacturing hubs like China and Bangladesh.
What do you think about fast fashion?
Fuck fast fashion.